In the video shown on the screen, we presented a trick in Gmail on how to get all the emails associated with the client in 2 clicks. That trick involved integration of Gmail and the Tasks application. In the video shown on the screen, we pointed out the power of tables in Google Docs. In the meantime, we have created a template in Docs for entering data about the client. It looks like this. In this video, we introduce the integration of all 3 applications in order to create our own CRM system. First, let's make a copy of the document based on the template. Go to File, Make a Copy, change the name of the document to Client X, copy the document. Enter the client's data into the form. Now, copy the link of the document. Go to Share, copy link, click Done. Close the document. Now, let's go to the Tasks application. Find Client X. Enter the copied link in the details. Ctrl-V. Click on this Client X button to get all emails from that client and copy this link. Now, let's go to the Docs document and paste this link on this button. Select the button, go to Insert, Link, and paste the link. Ctrl-V. Congratulations, we have integrated all 3 tools. From the Tasks application, with 2 clicks, we can access all emails related to Client X. If we click on this link, it takes us to all the information about the client. And if we click on this button, we will get all the emails directly from the Docs document. Want more tricks like this? Click like, subscribe, or write to us.